Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. We see mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. Breezes are beginning to pick up a little bit as we will see those winds increase as we go throughout the day today as this cold front that will be approaching later this evening draws closer to our area. But we will see conditions stay relatively calm here for the most part during the morning and afternoon today. And then later tonight, that's when we'll really see the significant weather associated with that front move through the area. I'm going to take a look here at our current surface analysis. You can see that cold front draped across the Midwest down towards the deep south with showers and thunderstorms all up and down that frontal boundary. This front will actually strengthen a bit as it moves towards the east coast later on this evening, and we'll see really strong winds associated with this front as it goes through. Could even see some severe weather across the outer banks and southeastern portion of Virginia. Would not be surprised to see an isolated tornado or two down in that area later on tonight. It does look like the main focus for that severe weather will be south of our area, and we'll be dealing with mainly just a wind threat up here towards the Wallops region later tonight. Also, some very heavy rain showers associated with that front as it moves through the area as well. Currently out there, just looking at some southeasterly winds at around 10 knots. We do see some mid and high level clouds this morning as well. Temperature at 53 degrees, relative humidity at 89%. So taking a look here at our short range model and what we can expect as we go throughout the day today, looking at the rain showers really holding off until later this evening. Could see an isolated shower or two late in the afternoon and in the early evening hours. But it looks like for the most part, we'll see the shower activity hold off until later this evening. This would be 7 o'clock this evening. That's when I think we'll start to see those chances really increasing across the Wallops area for some of those rain showers. And then the heavier rain really sets in after about 8 or 9 o'clock this evening as we push towards midnight. So you can see some of those heavier showers beginning to make their way across the Delmarva later on this evening as we near midnight. So probably around 10 o'clock or so is when we'll start to really see those winds pick up as well associated with those rain showers as they move through. And then the ending of these showers will probably not cross the area until early tomorrow morning. So as you wake up, could still see a lingering shower or two if you're up early tomorrow morning before the sun rises. But we will see those showers push off the coast by around 8 o'clock tomorrow with drying conditions for your Christmas day. It does look like, again, that we're going to be dealing with some pretty heavy rainfall amounts throughout the area. You could see an inch of rain or more from these showers as they push through. And again, that wind threat will be the most significant factor of this frontal boundary as it pushes through the area, with winds possibly gusting up to around 50 miles per hour. Switching gears here for another look at a model showing a little bit farther out in advance. I want to show you we do have a slight chance of a few flurries during the day on Friday. You can see the model here picking up a bit on those flurry chances later in the afternoon on Friday and into the early evening hours. This is associated with an upper level low that will be following this cold frontal passage during the day on Friday. Another significant part of this system will be the cold air that comes in behind the front as it moves off the coast. We're going to likely see temperatures in the low 50s early tomorrow morning, and then seeing those temperatures plummet to around 40 degrees by around the noontime hour or early afternoon hours, and then falling further into the 30s as we work our way through the afternoon tomorrow. So a pretty significant change in your weather. If you go out tomorrow morning, make sure you do carry some heavier jackets with you, as later in the day it will be much colder than what you'll see first thing in the morning. I want to take a look here just at our radar and what we are seeing currently across the area. You can see those showers in the central portions of Virginia currently. That'll slowly make its way eastward throughout the day today. And again, like I said, it looks like some of those showers will likely hold off until early this evening before they impact the area. Taking a look here at our hazardous weather chart, and you can see lots of colors showing up as we will see some rather significant weather associated with that frontal boundary as it moves through the area later this evening. You can see those winds gradually increasing throughout the day. up to around 31 knots with those gusts by the late afternoon and early evening hours tonight. Also seeing some very warm temperatures associated with those strong southerly winds that'll be pushing in some temperatures right around 60, maybe even into the low 60s by this afternoon. So even though it will be windy, it will be quite warm out there for you today. Ahead of this frontal boundary that will be crossing the area. Later this evening, we will see the rain set in. Again, heavy showers expected this evening into the overnight hours. Also, a slight chance, about a 20% chance of a thunderstorm or two embedded with those heavier showers and very strong winds. Again, southeasterly winds gusting to around 44 knots. That translates to about 50 miles per hour expected later this evening into the overnight as that front moves across the area. Again, by tomorrow morning, temperatures still in the low 50s as you wake up for your Christmas day. And we will see some drying conditions with that slight chance of a flurry or two occurring in the afternoon and possibly into the early evening hours. We will see those temperatures plummeting from the low 50s by tomorrow morning to around 40 by early afternoon, and then an overnight low Friday night into Saturday morning of around 25 degrees. For Saturday, we're going to see a very chilly day, partly cloudy skies with a high of 37. That'll wrap it up for your daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.